Today we're making Copycat Gingerbread Loaf.
In a large bowl, mix the flour, half cup sugar, 3/4 teaspoon cinnamon, ginger, salt, and allspice. Cut in the butter until it's crumbly. Reserve 1/3 cup for topping and then stir the baking powder and baking soda into the remaining flour mixture. In a small bowl, whisk the buttermilk, molasses, and make sure to get it all out, and egg. Make sure to whisk it thoroughly. Add the liquids to the flour mixture and stir until it's moist. Preheat the oven to 350 and transfer the batter to greased pans. Add remaining sugar and cinnamon to the reserved topping. Once combined, sprinkle it over the batter and then put the pans into the oven. Now I made a double batch, so I put the rest of it into the air fryer on bake mode. It should be about 20 to 25 minutes in the oven. Once it's done, take it out to cool on a wire rack or just on the top of your stove. For the topping, go ahead and chop up some crystallized ginger. Use your knife skills there. Then mix 3/4 cup confectioner's sugar, 1 tablespoon of milk, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir that together until it's well blended and moist. Go ahead and remove the cake from the pan. And then drizzle all over the top of it. Go ahead and add a lot here because you're going to use this as one, it will add flavor, but then also it's going to be what holds the finely chopped crystallized ginger on the top of it. So go ahead and just keep on drizzling. And see here, evenly sprinkle the crystallized ginger on the top. Look how pretty that is. And then once you are ready to serve it, go ahead and cut it into 8 slices to serve.